Hey, I'm Ricardo, and today I'm showing you how to make the best Oreo birthday cake cheesecake. Here are all the ingredients you're going to need: 3 eggs, vanilla extract, Oreos, sugar, butter, cream cheese, chocolate chips, sprinkles, and icing. Now you're going to need 14 Oreos. Now you want to put your Oreos in a food processor or in a Ziploc bag and crush them. Melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Now you want to combine your crushed Oreos with your butter and mix it up. This will be your crust. I'm using a 9.5-inch pan. Now you want to pat it down and make sure the whole pan is covered in the Oreo. Preheat your oven to 325. Now you're going to want to add 750 grams of cream cheese and 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Now you want to mix it all up until it becomes a cream. Now you want to add about 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Add in 3 eggs, one at a time. Once your batter is finished, you want to chop up 10 Oreos and then add it to your batter and then thoroughly mix. Once you've completely mixed your batter, you want to take your Oreo crust out of the fridge and then you want to add your batter to your Oreo crust. Now you want to smooth it out and then pop it in the oven. Let it sit there for about 20 minutes. After letting your cake cool, you want to put it in the fridge for 3 hours. After that, you want to run your knife around the edge. Ice your cake. To melt the chocolate chips, you want to put a small pot into a larger one with lightly boiling water between them. Add the chocolate and stir until completely melted. Now you're going to add 4 drops of food coloring to your chocolate. Drizzle the chocolate all over your cake. Once that's finished, add sprinkles and top the sides with Oreos. This cake looks, smells, and tastes delicious. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.